Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to connect your JBL Boombox 3 Wi-Fi to an iPhone. Let's get started. So, as a first step, you would need to enable your speaker by clicking this power button on the top of the speaker. After this, wait a few seconds until you will hear a chime. After you've heard this chime, now we need to turn our speaker into a pairing mode by clicking on this Bluetooth button also on the top of the speaker. Click on it, and now we would need to take our phone and open Bluetooth settings. After this, enable the Bluetooth and wait until your device will appear on the list of other devices. Here is it. Click on it, and now your speaker is listed as connected. That means that you can enjoy your favorite music on your new JBL Boombox 3 Wi-Fi. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.